Ever tried sorting numbers and ended up with a mess? Converting numbers to text in Power BI is a game changer. We'll explore different ways to do this and when it makes sense. Just remember, while numbers are great for calculations, text gives them personality. Stay tuned as we unravel this mystery. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Sounds familiar? That's what happens when data types don't match. Converting data types properly ensures your reports make sense and your calculations don't go haywire. Let's dive into how Power BI helps us avoid data disasters. Numbers are great, but sometimes they look weird, especially when they randomly turn into 1, 2e plus 0, 6. By converting numbers to text, we ensure they are visually appealing and don't surprise us with bizarre formats. Let's see why this conversion is so useful. If formatting were a superhero, the format function would be its cape. With DAX, you can turn boring numbers into elegantly formatted text. Just remember, format makes things look good but doesn't help much with calculations. Let's explore how to use it. Alright, let's talk about the convert function in DAX. This little tool is a game changer. It lets you switch data types effortlessly. You ever had a number stubbornly refuse to behave like text? Well, this fixes that. It ensures consistency, whether you're dealing with numbers, dates, or even text values. And let's be real, clean data is happy data. So think of Convert as your magic wand for tidying up messy datasets. Concatenation in DAX is like bringing numbers and words together for a perfect conversation. Need dynamic labels? No problem. Use the text function to format your numbers properly so they don't look like a chaotic string of digits. This trick is a lifesaver when making reports user-friendly, because no one likes decoding mysterious data formats. Let's face it, data visualization is only as good as the data behind it. If your numbers aren't properly converted or formatted, your charts might look more like modern art than actual insights. A clean conversion ensures precision in visualizations, prevents errors, and makes sure your dashboards are telling the right story, not a misleading one. A performance matters. If you're converting data all over the place without a plan, your queries might crawl instead of sprint. Optimized functions help keep things running smoothly, like greasing the wheels of your data engine. And always test before deploying on large datasets, because waiting forever for queries to run is no one's idea of a good time. How does this actually help in real life? Financial analysts love clean data for reports. Business dashboards. Yep, they rely on proper conversions too. Automated reports need data formatted dynamically, and even e-commerce platforms use these tricks for pricing models. DAX isn't just theory, it's got real-world impact. Errors happen, especially with data conversions. If something looks wrong, start by checking mismatched data types. Use error handling functions to catch issues early, before they sneak into your final dashboard. The golden rule: always verify transformations before deploying, because fixing errors after release is way more painful. Alright, let's wrap this up. DAX conversions help clean up messy data, make reporting smoother, and boost efficiency. Proper formatting means better insights, and optimized functions make sure things run fast. At the end of the day, good data conversion equals great analysis. And hey, who doesn't want to make their reports shine? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.